swear combustion engines just don't throw rocks like that. I've never seen that.
What's up, Lords? Welcome back to another episode of Shady Ventures. Now, before you panic, no, the Africa Twin hasn't been stolen. She's just on the bench for now, because today I've got something spicy for you. This bad girl right here, the Stark Varg EX. Mean and almost brand new. I couldn't wait like a civilized person to film it nice and clean. The second it landed, I had to get it dirty, had to get it out. But get this, I overnighted some parts from Burleigh Heads all the way here to Perth in 30 hours. Didn't even have time to wipe my ass from when I ordered them on the toilet. So, how the hell do these go on? I kitted it out with some Moose tubes and some Metzler 6-day Extreme Enduro tyres. So, let's go send it. Now, if you're here for the Adventure Bike content, don't stress. There's plenty more coming from that round the world trip. I just needed a cheeky little reset after spending 2 years editing that project. Today, I'm about an hour east of Perth, out with some hard enduro lads to test my skill with some gnarly hill climbs, log hops, and bloody slippery rocks. Now, let's see how long this Stark's battery actually lasts, and enjoy some raw enduro chaos. Neither of these lines look fun.
No, that one's easier than that one.
It just looks scarier, I think.
Yeah. Because that one you got to be like...
Round the corner.
Into it. And then you got to be like, hi. And then...
Got a bit into it, then not, and then back into it.
Then chuck it in. Because otherwise you just run straight into the tree like Wes did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to go straight up where you are. What are you doing down there, mate?
Turn that off.
Now, let's see how logs go without a clutch. Not too bad. I did one at the very start of the track and I had no grip and could not do it, so it's good to see that it can be done by an amateur like myself. Yeah. Man, you dog.
You dog can.
Fucking dog. This is the worst spot to be too.
There's been so many guys there just digging that out.
Put it in reverse.
Oi, that's fucking cheating. That was a good bit of instant smoke up on the log too.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just started like plume a little bit.
I forgot how hard this hard enduro shit is. Oh, fucking yes, boy.
Fuck me, Pearl.
I ought to come out here more often, I think, mate.
Look at the steam coming off you.
Yeah, I'm fucking gassed. Yeah, I was taking the piss out of everyone going the easy way.
Get over it.
Just pick it up, you big cunt. There you go.
Oh.
You know it's easy if you ride it over.
It's not the hard part. Right.
This is good, this bit. Huh?
You right?
Nah.
Are you remembering to breathe?
Does it sound like it?
No, it's not.
Fuck, bro.
That sounds wild in there. Okay. You've dug yourself into a little hole. Roll back up. Yeah, keep going a little bit. Keep going. Yeah, bounce out of that.
Reverse.
Leave some track there for me, would you? The quietest chainsaw ever built.
Fuck off. Fuck.
Ride the clutch a bit.
Ride the clutch a bit.
Now we'll meet you at the car in a few hours. Make sure you get some ride time in, mate. He's stuck here, then I'm going to get stuck.
Fuck you. Just ride it, eh?
Lucky you got swing arm, gun.
Just not the... Oh fuck!
I don't know how that thing is throwing boulders. Yeah, we're about to come up and give you a hand. You fucking... I swear combustion engines just don't throw rocks like that. I've never seen that.
You're on fire, mate.
I fucking feel like it. And the wrong kind of fire.
Yeah.
I'm burning.
Whoa, shit! I'm actually stuck. I need it. Oh, I need help.
You were up here. What did you do?
I slid. It's slippery. I'm stuck.
Oh, you're stuck.
I'm stuck as fuck.
Anyway.
Yeah, I was there, then I don't know what happened. Yeah, I'm fine.
At least it sounds the same when it falls down rocks like a normal body.
Oh man, that hurt.
Oh, I can't. That was a doozy.
Yeah, no.
Long plate I was pretty fucked up.
Yeah.
I'm a little fucked up.
Lucky I sprayed it with WD-40 this morning.
Holy shit, this thing is heavy, cunt. Alright.
I thought this was brand new this morning. I just couldn't do it. Doing. Every time.
Really?
I told my dad to get my phone.
Sorry, bud.
She's mangled. Brand new.
Yeah.
Fresh out the box.
Good way to break it in there.
Yeah, emphasis on the brake.
Yeah. Now you won't care so much next time you drop it.
Yeah.
It's a high enduro circle of life, man.
Yeah. Lucky I put the carbon fibre.
Yeah.
And the bloody.
That bit.
Yeah.
And this bit.
Yep. Yo! That was unreal.
Climb's pretty good, man.
It just fucking pulled straight, eh?
Yeah.
I knew it'd be good for that because you're always in the right gear.
Yeah.
That's bad. Stop. Put her in reverse. So the thing with hitting these logs is like you got no clutch, obviously. So it's all throttle timing. Starting to get the hang of them. Let's see. Of course not. Righto, it's alright. See? Just like that, you little bitch. Oh no. This eats this shit up, eh?
It looks like it does.
Do you want to have a go?
Yeah, I might, eh?
Have a duck go up and down.
Yeah. Fucking moped, man.
That's fucking weird, dude.
So the start goes pretty good.
Fuck yeah, boy.
Is that a rash or is that a Stark? Is that from the start?
That's fucking Herbie's cunt, mate.
Alright, let's do a quick damage report after all that carnage. Somewhere out there, I did a trail blinker delete, snapped the tip off my brake lever, and the number plate mount is a bit worse for wear. But hey, who needs plates anyway? I added some battle scars to every single panel on the bike. So yeah, she's definitely not brand new anymore. But hey, I buy dirt bikes to ride them, not to keep them pretty. Now for the nerdy bit. We were out there for about 2 hours and I used about 65% of the battery. It's so different to ride compared to a normal combustion engine motorcycle. But once I figure it out, I reckon I'll be onto something here. I've never had a bike climb like this thing. The power was instant, smooth, and it just kept on tractoring up the hills. The only thing I'd change is I'd put some gummy tires on it to give it some more grip on the wet rocks, and some new handguards so I don't have to keep getting new levers every time I ride. All in all, the bike's unreal. And trust me, there's going to be a lot more Stark content where that came from. So make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe so you see it all. Stick around. Thanks for watching.